Hello and welcome to N-Max Motors. Here today we have this beautiful 2020 Nissan X-Trail. It's a 1.7 DCI N-Connecta model. It's a diesel manual in grey, coming in with just short of 33,000 miles on the clock and a full service history. It's a great example of the X-Trail range, which has been fitted with a passenger mobility seat for easy access, which can be used as the normal seat also. It's in very good condition with a few stone chips here and there on the bonnet. As you can see, there's nothing major, no big dents or scratches anywhere that we can see. Sitting on some lovely 18-inch alloys. And moving inside, all electric windows, electric mirrors with folding. Plenty of space, very nice and comfortable. Height adjustable driver's seat with adjustable headrests. Over button here, as well as the bonnet and fuel latch. Lane assist, also start and stop, as well as the boot opening there as well. And as you can see, just under 33,000 miles there on the clock. Coming with all your steering controls, including your cruise control with limiter, hands-free here as well, and all your other buttons to check out the cluster. One warning, which is the door being open at the moment. Moving over here, we have the 7-inch screen with your radio, hands-free, sat nav, along with the reverse camera, which has 360 bird's eye view, dual zone air conditioning, climate control, and down here you have the USB and aux input, as well as the charging port. Electric handbrake with auto hold. As mentioned earlier, it is a manual with 6-speed. Moving around a little bit more, we have 2 cup holders, a little bit more storage here, and armrest with more storage underneath, as well as another charging port there as well. And moving up here, let's pan you out a little bit. A little bit more storage for your sunglasses, and as well as up here, have the panoramic roof with one touch open close. And as you can see, it opens very nice and smooth, along with the sunroof. And again, one touch close. And all the settings there for that. Let's have a look at the rest of the car. And moving into the back, we have privacy glass on the back. Put it back to normal. Electric windows. As you can see, there's plenty of space there in the back. We have a nice, clean, tidy vehicle. Height adjustable headrests. These are individually man went blank. It's a 30-40-30 split on the back seats. This middle seat does come down and can be used as an armrest for the back 2 seats. A little bit more storage at the back of the passenger seat there as well. Move round. One touch opening for the boot, which opens up into a very generous boot space. And sliding parcel shelf. It's also removable floor in the boot for a little bit more depth there for the storage. Comes with a full size spare wheel. Again, one touch close. Moving into the passenger side, and here we have the mobility seat that we was talking about earlier. Does also come with adjustable headrest. It also come with a remote. I'll quickly show you how this works. Press the button. Very, very clever design, these. As you can see, the movement is very smooth. As you can see, it does come down quite low, needed. You can also adjust the height or stop it whenever you need to. It's an amazing bit of technology. I'd probably say the only downside to this seat at the moment is that it doesn't match the rest of the seats. But for me personally, comfort is more about being comfy, and instead of matching, easy access. And there we are. It's beautiful 2020 Nissan X-Trail 1.7 DCI N-Connecta. 33,000 miles, full service history. Also comes with 2 keys and a 12 months warranty. Here now at Ben Marks Motors. Thank you for watching.